Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make kefir grains at home from scratch. To begin, gather your supplies: 1 cup of fresh whole milk and 2 tablespoons of store-bought plain kefir. Ensure your milk is not ultra-pasteurized, as this can hinder grain development. Combine these 2 ingredients in a clean glass jar, stirring gently to mix them thoroughly. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth. Once combined, place your covered jar in a spot away from direct sunlight, maintaining a consistent room temperature between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, the milk will thicken, and you might see small curds forming. This indicates the beneficial bacteria are actively working. Gently swirl the jar a few times during this period to ensure even fermentation throughout the mixture. After the fermentation period, carefully strain the thickened kefir through a fine mesh, non-metal sieve into a clean bowl. The small, gelatinous clumps left in the sieve are your new kefir grains. Gently rinse these grains with cool, non-chlorinated water. Immediately transfer them into a new jar with fresh milk to begin your next batch of homemade kefir. Regular feeding keeps them active and growing. If your grains seem sluggish, try using a different brand of whole milk or adjusting the fermentation temperature slightly. Remember, consistency is key for healthy, thriving grains. You can also experiment with fermentation duration to achieve your preferred kefir consistency, from thin to very thick. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Happy fermenting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.